If someone in your home struggles with asthma or allergies, your air ducts could be making it worse. Most people don't realize that the air inside their home can be more polluted than outside. Dust mites, mold spores, pet dander, and bacteria all build up in your ductwork and get recirculated every single day. Voda Cleaning and Restoration of Greater Omaha, Lincoln now offers professional duct cleaning, plus the EnviroBiotics or eBio system, which is the only EPA-approved device of its kind in the U.S. The EnviroBiotics unit attaches to your ductwork and releases a safe, natural probiotic into your air that actively neutralizes contaminants, bacteria, and allergens 24/7 automatically. Many families with asthma and allergy sufferers notice a real difference. Cleaner air, fewer triggers, a healthier home. Give your family the gift of cleaner air. Call us now or scan the QR code.